Volcanoes begin deep within the Earth, where extreme heat and pressure create molten rock called magma. As tectonic plates shift and collide, they create weak spots in the Earth's crust where magma can push through. The magma collects in chambers beneath the volcano, where increasing pressure and expanding gases force it upward. When the pressure becomes too great, the volcano erupts, expelling lava, ash, and gases into the surrounding area. After the eruption, the volcano becomes dormant as the magma chamber empties and cools, often remaining inactive for long periods. This cycle of formation and eruption occurs in various locations worldwide, particularly along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where tectonic activity is most intense.